What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your channel, How to Cook. And I am back with another video. This is going to be another shopping haul because Anna seems to love it. So we're going to bring another one. This is from Food Depot. So I hope you guys find this video interesting for sure. All right, because you guys seem to like my shopping haul. So I figured why not just give you guys another haul, right? So let's talk about what I found. All right, so I did pick up these turkey necks. I paid $7.33. I am definitely going to be cooking these turkey necks up, okay? They're nice and chunky. Get to oxtail, right? I don't know how I'm going to cook these yet. If I'm going to brown them or if I'm going to curry them or whatever the hell, I don't know. My smoke detector is going off, y'all. Right over there. Right against that wall. Okay, making all that noise. I can't take it. But we probably brown these bad boy up with some butter bean. I think I have some butter beans in my pantry, y'all. I think I have some butter beans here. Yep, we got the butter beans on deck, y'all. So we're gonna be cooking up this bad boy here with some butter beans, okay? All right, so that was cheap. That was $7.33. Awesome. And then I did pick up some oxtails as well in the Food Depot. They've never used to sell oxtail enough, but now they are. So let's see what the price is. All right, so this one was $12.91, and that's all the oxtail that you get for $12.91. Let's say you get 5 pieces of oxtail, but them two side one is pretty big, very chunkified, and then there's 3 smaller pieces in the middle. So that was $12.91. And then this piece, this one was also $12.89 for this beef oxtail. Okay. And again, we get 2 chunky ones to the side and 3 in the middle. So that right there was that was like $26 for this. I paid $26 for this oxtail here. So that's what we're doing. So we get some real oxtail. We get some Get the Oxtail. All right. So what do you guys think? You guys think this was a good price for the oxtail? $26 for this. Let me know down below what you guys think. If this was a bargain or if this was robbery. Let me know. All right. But that was from Food Depot. So I thought them not sell them oxtails for. All right, so what else did I get as far as meat is concerned? I did pick up this chicken breast because my husband loves chicken breast. It doesn't matter if it's boneless, skinless, or skin on. As long as I have chicken breast in the house, I'm happy. So this was $8.69. And this is going to be 2 meals. I'm going to cook 3 and then 3 because, you know, we have to make things sure these days. We can't cook off all 6 chicken breasts because, honey, food is hella expensive, okay? These cooking, YouTube need to up the revenue on the cooking channels because, honey, these foods to purchase and to make videos is no joke, y'all. No joke. I mean, I have food stamps, okay? All right, so what else did I purchase? So, you know, I love my ginger ale. I have to have ginger ale because it helped me to belch the bad gas them. Besides tea bags or whatever. And then I did get this one. They had it on sale. I've never purchased this one before. It's super chilled. It was $1.09. And I figured, why the hell not, right? So, I like my Schweppes. Always I drink Schweppes from Jamaica. I'm going to try that one. So, that's what I found. This is on sale. They have this on sale now for quite some time. For $4. So they still have it for $4. I did show you some that I purchased in the last haul that I did. Small haul, but yeah. And in my bag, I already know some tell us I'm addicted to the Club Crisp. The Kellogg's Club Crisp. Light, crispy, buttery. Oh my god, y'all need to try this. And even though it says sea salt on there, you would assume that it's salty. But it's not. It's not. Try this, y'all. I kid you not. And I hope Kellogg's sit doesn't come and promote them something. It's really, 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 really good. Really, it's no sweetener, no, not just crackers, but it's really good. If anything, it tastes kind of buttery, right? And I did decide to get this Blue Bonnet butter because I am going to be making Easter bun. I don't know if I'm going to put it on camera. If you guys want me to put it on camera, let me know. And I'll definitely put it on camera. Hopefully look at it before Easter because anyway. All right, so I did also get another all-purpose seasoning, the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I do have one that's chicken, but I don't know if I still, listen, look at that, y'all, okay? You see my seasons? Crazy, y'all, crazy. But anywho, I did get this one. I'm hoping that I have room for this, y'all. Let's see. We found a room, and you know, some I love my old Cheerios, some that about this, so my God. But yeah, let's put this here for now. All right, so that's what I got, and then picked up some sugar, some granulated sugar. I usually use brown cane sugar, or I use honey, but we still have granulated sugar. When I buy this sugar, it lasts me all a month. It lasts for a long time because I don't use it a lot. And this right here, oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. Odorban eliminates odor. Y'all, when I tell you this thing is good, it is good. It is so good. I use it on my bed, on my sheets, like a refreshener. It says fabric and hair freshener. Let me tell you, I said it's something nice. But this particular fragrance, this is fresh linen scent. I've never used this one before, ever. So this is going to be my first time using this one. They have different scent. One in the one green bottle smell like peppermint, smell like eucalyptus, and then one other one I find out lavender. Oh my goodness, lavender smells so damn good. This right here is going to be my first time using this particular fragrance, and I already know that I'm going to love it because it says linen fresh on there, so I know I'm going to love it. Y'all, go ahead and try this thing. I think this one in the Food Depot, I believe it was $3 and change. I think it was $3 and some change for this. Okay. And what I also found out that they have refills. They have a big gallon bottle where you can buy and refill and put in these bottles. So that was amazing for me. So this is what I use in my kitchen, in my bathroom, on my sheets. I spray everywhere. Sometimes I'm wiping down my tables over here. I'm cleaning the doggy house, Future's house and his beds and everything. Even when I'm cleaning the sofa, I use it to freshen up the sofa, the kitchen sink. Yo, amazing. So go ahead and give it a try and tell them I sent you. All right. So that completes my haul for today. That is what I found. That is what I picked up. Because like I say, I'm not going crazy shopping like I used to as far as buying food, okay? Because this right here is like 4 meals. The oxtail is 1 meal, then that's another meal right there, and then I'm going to break this up in 2, so this is 2 meals. So this is 4 dinner right here, so. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Bring them, come and send them from I'm waiting. When they get done doing that, tell them what they want to see me cook next time in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.